The issue of sustainability is one of the biggest strategies that resonates with our communities, particularly in our rural areas, and we're responding appropriately. And the concept that we had was to create some beautifully designed, self-contained accommodation units still close to the hospital that would make a great base to attract clinicians to come and do periodic pieces of work and provide a service to some of our smaller communities. Hunter New England Health has declared that it'll be carbon and waste neutral by 2030. We want to be the first health service in the country to achieve this. One of the things we have in place for all our infrastructure is a minimum 5-star green rating, which these facilities are.